مصلحة الأخضر إلى الأمام تلعب.
Heads up. Yeah, you don't want to. Oh my God.
Every night I think of when we were together.
Just rolled me slightly past the knife edge. I managed to get it back to wings level and recover. I believe I might have skipped twice on the water because I felt too impacted.
Samuelson gets it back in. Smith. Smith down the ice. Willie. It's in. Yes. It's in.
Here's you go. Chris, are you good?
Helmets. I love helmets.